How to change Samsung account phone number with these easy steps. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on your account profile name at the top. Then tap on security and privacy. In here, tap on two-step verification. Then tap on text messages. In here, you'll be able to change or remove your phone number. So the first thing that you need to do is tap on add and then enter in a new phone number. So for example, put in a new phone number and then tap on send code. After you receive a code, enter in the code here and then tap on verify. If you put in your correct phone number and the correct verification code, you'll be able to add in a new phone number. Once you have added in a new phone number, tap on the more button at the top, then tap on delete. Now select your old phone number and then tap on the delete button at the bottom to delete your old phone number. And that is how you can change your Samsung account phone number easily on your mobile device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.